Can you,
You're okay, buddy? You good?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
can you lean off the car, please?
Alright.
Okay. And then,
I had just parked.
how much have you had to drink?
5 or 6 drinks.
4.
5 or 6 drinks.
However, what does that mean?
5 or 6.
5 or 6? What kind of drinks?
Vodka, cocktail drinks.
Vodka and cocktail.
Cocktail drinks.
Okay.
No beer.
Are you injured at all? What hurts?
My leg.
Your leg? Your leg hurts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Thanks, man. Bye.
Miss, open the door. Step out because your car's smoking. You okay? You okay? Why don't you step out? Your car's smoking. 147 Central. Start a BLS and get me a tow.
Should I shut my truck off?
Yeah, can you?
47, you're coming in a little broken up.
Central, get me a rig and start Bergen Brookside, please. What
I'll
happened?
already get you in a rig, I'll get you a tow.
Sorry.
Have you been drinking tonight? You have? Okay. Why don't you stand back here for me, okay?
You need 1 or 2 tows.
Just give me one tow at this time. Possible 450.
Great.
Do you have all your paperwork? The license, registration, insurance, all that stuff? Where are you coming from?
Waldwood.
How much you have to drink today?
1, 2,
3
3.
drinks.
3 drinks? Okay. Where's your license?
There's like my wallet in there.
Okay, thanks.
Hey, just stand right there, okay? Can I get your wallet out of your car?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, just hold on to it for me. She's definitely 450.
Okay.
She said she was drinking. You smell it on her.
She rear-ended this guy?
She rear-ended him. She could barely stand up.
He was stopped there?
Oh boy. I didn't get the story yet. I just had to get out of the car because it was smoking.
Okay.
47, Brookside responding.
So what happened?
I parked because I had to do work on this pole. And I was
Yeah.
going to check to see if I need to do work on this pole.
Yeah.
I got out. I saw her coming and not stopping. I had to jump out of the way because I didn't know what was going to happen.
Yeah.
I jumped and she hit me.
Okay. Are you injured at all?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Dan. You want this?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Okay.
I can't do the FSTs and all that stuff. So
I'll do HCN. You
Okay.
want me to do FF?
Yeah.
This license on it?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm just not,
What's your name?
I didn't get her ID still in there.
Okay.
I shut the car off.
Miss. Miss. Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so? Okay. Could you come and stand over here, please? Okay. Do me a favor, sir. Just go stand next to your car.
Yeah, absolutely.
For this. Can you
You're okay, buddy?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
can you lean off the car, please?
Alright.
Okay. And then,
I had just parked.
how much have you had to drink?
5 or 6 drinks.
4.
5 or 6 drinks.
However, what does that mean?
5 or 6.
5 or 6? What kind of drinks?
Vodka, cocktail drinks.
Vodka and cocktail.
Cocktail drinks.
Okay.
No beer.
Are you injured at all? What hurts?
My leg.
Your leg? Your leg hurts?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Could you see my finger?
Yeah.
Could you look at my finger?
Yeah.
Look at it. The tip of the finger. No, we're good. She's good to go to the hospital.
Yeah.
Where's your license, the vehicle registration, and insurance in the car?
It should be in the glove passenger seat,
Okay.
I think.
Okay.
It's in the glove box?
Yeah, glove box. If you need to lean over the other way so you can hold on to the car. What's your name?
Well, we have her sit
What's
on
your ID at? Where's your ID at?
Let's have her sit on the card.
In your bag
It's in your bag?
or wallet?
Let's have her sit on the curb.
I don't think she's gonna be able to sit.
Further injured.
Yeah, go ahead. Just watch for cars. You don't need another
There's
crash.
no wallet in the car.
No wallet?
No.
What about back of her phone? Grab her phone.
No.
575 Central. I'm going to be out at Town Hall. ALS 401 Central responding to Montvale.
Ma'am, what's your name?
Sage.
Sage Peterson?
Yes.
Where do you live? Where are you going now? Where were you heading now? Is that where you're heading now? You're going the wrong direction.
I know, I got lost.
You got lost? Yeah, that's what happens when you're drunk.
Why don't we have her sit? Ready to
There's
fall
no
over.
wallet.
Ready to fall over.
Do you want to sit on the curb?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a second. Let me put this glove on and I have
What's your
you
first
grab my
name?
hand. Grab my hand. Come sit on this curb. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Can you sit up? You're gonna get more sick that way if you lay down.
Why don't you sit up?
Try to sit up. (142 Central). Patient update. Heavily inebriated. Going to get transport to the hospital.
Those things aren't, yes, now it comes in random. So it's not like we
Why now you gotta feel worse? How do you even process this? How do you even process this?
You just take her to the hospital.
Yeah.
She admitted 5 to 6 cocktails, vodka drinks. She couldn't even look at my finger, so just note that in the report. She couldn't even follow directions.
So is the process work as normal?
Not the DUI stuff. Well, yes, the DUI stuff still too, but take it down to the hospital. It's called the judge for a blood draw warrant.
Oh Jesus.
Or you bring the consent forms for blood draw. She could say yes or no. Either way, they're going to take blood because she's so out of it.
Yeah.
And then whatever the test results, you usually get them in a couple weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Oh really?
And then they'll be able to tell you how much alcohol is in her system or any other drugs. Sage, can you sit up? Try to sit up. Grab my hand. Let's sit up. Just sit up.
I don't see any marks on her head or anything, right?
Perfect.
Guess you had your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
You live in.
Yeah.
Where are you coming from? A bar or a party?
A bar.
A bar? What bar?
The one in, near West Milford.
You're coming from a bar in West Milford? Okay. Do you know the name of the bar? No? Alright. Whose car is this?
Mine.
It's yours? Okay. Can you tell me what happened?
I guess I just thought I was ready to go home.
You thought you were ready to go home? No, but I'm saying
I
with
was
the
ready to drive.
with what happened here.
What do you mean?
You got into a little accident. Could you tell me what happened that caused the accident?
I just need to
Okay.
But I drove.
Yeah. Did you have nobody else to give you a ride or Uber? No. Do you have the Uber app?
I do. So that's on me.
Yeah. All right. Was the bar in Pearl River?
Yeah.
Pearl River Saloon?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yes.
Were you on the rooftop or the first floor?
The rooftop.
The rooftop. Were you with friends? Yeah. What happened to your friends? Why didn't they drive you?
No, they actually all stayed.
They all stayed? Okay.
I was the only one.
You were the only one? Alright.
Yeah, Bobby, if you want, you can take it. I forgot I got a recap tonight.
Okay. Why? Because it's a lot of paperwork?
No, I don't mind the paperwork.
I gotta go to the hospital?
I'll still help you out. Still have paperwork.
Okay.
It's just two of us on mids, so
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the hospital either way, right?
I mean,
This way you get.
it's not like we got
Could-
a full squad tonight.
Yeah, I know. Could one of you go down, get the blood
blood kit?
consent, blood kit, and
Yeah, you know what that's.
You need the blood kit and you need
the consent form?
She's got no ID on her, Bobby.
Oh, can I look in your car for your license? Okay. You have nothing in your pockets, right?
Right.
You have nothing in your pockets. Can you check your pockets? Just pat them like this. See if there's a license in there. No. Okay. It's right here, dude.
What was it? I opened this and I just felt this and I was like, oh,
There's some cash here too. Just gonna grab her phone. Cash.
I'll do the actual accident report.
No, I'll take care of it.
No, you just
I'll take care of it. Just send me all the information. Just take a picture of it.
Yeah.
So all
I got all his stuff already.
his stuff.
I got the insurance and reg for this already.
Just take a picture of that.
I got a picture of that already. I just
Perfect. And then I'll enter her ID. We'll take this to the hospital.
I didn't see any like bruise in the back.
No, she's coming from Pro Saloon. So.
Okay.
Here's your bag. You got your phone in it and your cash. I have your ID right now. Okay, I'm just gonna enter it into the system.
they call me out for half a
Yep. Huh? I don't really care. Take a. But have him come right here. You guys got any extra? Oh, I got it. Never mind. No, I got. Okay, you can stay right here. Hey, highly intox. Said she had about 5 or 6 vodka drinks. On top of whatever injury she sustained, crashed into that thing.
Oh, airbag, right?
No. She said she has leg pain. Which leg is it? Which leg pain do you have? She's completely out of it.
How old is she?
Bobby has her ID.
Hi, what's your name? What's your name?
Sage?
Sage?
Where does it hurt, Sage? This leg? Show me where. Point to it.
You can cancel the ALS.
Alright. 147 Central. You cancel ALS after the ALS.
There, you drop.
Oh, my car. How do I do on my car?
We'll come back and get it. I'll wait for the tow, and then I'll drop my car off, and me and Jeff will come back and grab it.
Peru, something, she said 5 or 6 mixed cocktail drinks.
Where is she heading?
She was heading to Waldwick.
Yeah.
She's got the GPS on her phone.
Did you get your head, Sage?
This thing has airbags. With her being an intox, I'm assuming she's under.
Yeah, she's under. Bobby's going to the hospital with
Okay,
her.
good.
Are we going to Valley or are we going to...
We can go to Valley.
Good.
Be a much better experience for Bobby.
Do some big stretch out and see what
Yeah.
they're trying to walk up. Sage,
I got it.
hold this up? Can you hold this for me so you guys stretch it for you? Okay. Alright, good thought. Go right in there, okay? Hey.
How you doing, Sage?
I told him only one.
right, honey.
Do you think you can stand up? We help keep the sound here? Did she walk out of the car?
Barely, but she walked out.
Alright, we're gonna stand up now for him. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nice and easy.
All right, the bag's right next in your hand, sweetie.
Let's throw up on the bag as well.
Yo. What's that?
It's also going to be marijuana.
Okay.
Unsealed. Tops off.
Okay. Cool.
So we do have open container, unsealed. I was like, she got a lot of lighters, and then she had the key shade, the high towel.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, probably
Oh, yeah.
smoker.
Very cool. You want them to just wait till Jeff gets here with the papers?
Is the other truck stopped?
Yeah. Bobby's gonna ride with you guys,
Okay.
and then we're just waiting for Jeff to come back with some paperwork that they're gonna bring to the hospital. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, they brought 2 tows. You want me to have them tow your car back to headquarters?
Well, they're going to take the office. I love you shit.
No, we'll bring it back.
Let me see what I need.
What's up, guys? How we doing? This is gonna be the 4Runner, or the RAV4 or whatever.
Is it ready?
Yeah, once they pull out of here, we can get you guys in there. Ah.
I was like, damn.
Better slow it down.
I'm not making calls.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, can you pull up in front of them so I can tow this guy out of here?
Let Bill do something, Brian.
Not the first time I've been in a photo. No. I've been in a lot of YouTube videos already. Bobby's gonna leave his car around the corner, so I figured we can come and grab it after we. Yeah. She also had open container marijuana in the car too.
Oh.
So.
Broken light.
He was just parking his car around the corner, so. And then he's walking. I don't know if he's in the rig yet. I don't think so. Oh, he's over there.
4
Boxed.
Still recording.
Yeah.
Bobby, you parked along the corner?
Yeah, on USR.
Okay. The keys in it or not?
My keys are here. You want them?
Regular charger.
Yeah, Dan's got it. What's up, yo? How are you?
I'm doing all right.
She's probably a 3-0 right now.
Okay.
Probably a 3-0 right now.
Stay there.
I just have to get the either she signs consent or denies it, and then
Okay.
go from there.
We're gonna wait for you then.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this process goes. We'll see how it goes.
You're 42, right?
Yep.
So funny, so I literally live right down, drive all the way by.
Yeah. You drove past it like, oh, yeah.
I was like, I was called Jen. It just makes sense. She's got to bring me back afterwards. So, if it was like a CPR in progress, I would have just
Yeah.
stopped and done it. But
I'm not even supposed to be here tonight. I'm on drive sober or get pulled over detail. This is overtime. So there's only Dan and Jeff working tonight. So they're like, well, we can't leave. There's nobody else to cover the road. So I guess I'll go. This is what I was trying to prevent tonight.
exactly. How you doing, Sage? You okay? Alright. Sage, you take any medications, hon? No? Do you have any allergies to medications? Okay. And other than beer, did you take anything else tonight? Any marijuana, any drugs? Okay. So smoking, what type was it? Damage to the front, I didn't even look at it. It's just bumper damage. There's nothing in the passenger, the driver's compartment, right?
No, the radiator's gone and leaked out the coolant.
I got major damage. No airbags support.
No.
Slut. You doing
Yeah.
Sage? Okay, hon? You open your eyes for me? Open your eyes for me, alright? Just make sure you're still with me. back up, Sage. You have any pain right now? Do you feel any pain? Yeah, but any pain. Okay. Hope it wasn't like a little kid on the way back.
Tonight they had the football game, so
Yeah. Jen was there. She was very excited.
yeah, I'm glad it's not a local. But still, 27 is not old, right? So it's people make decisions.
Impact the rest of your life going forward. You know what? She's lucky she's still, not seriously.
Yeah, nobody got hurt.
But she runs somebody over.
Well, the optimum guy had to jump out of the way because she wasn't slowing down. She had him at like 25 miles an hour. He was standing outside the truck.
Oh, he was doing like work.
He was going to do work there, yeah, because there was a power outage
Oh, I did. Okay.
on the optimum line. So he was going to start working. So he was out of the car behind his truck. So that could have been very bad.
That's
KLECHF.
Sage, doing okay, hon? Doing okay? Look your eyes for me. I'm going to do that every once in a while and be annoying and wake you up. So I got to do okay.
How's the training going for AC?
Just doing the bike, So,
Yeah, but still.
yeah, I mean, I went out last week and intended to do 3 hours in Harriman, and I got like 5 hours sleep. I just wasn't. I did 2 hours and 35 miles, but I was with two other guys. I was cheating like I was pulling a fire truck behind me. I was cheating. I'm like, I'm calling it too. I do a loop at the lighthouse into Ridgewood and back on Southern Road. It's about 16 miles, about an hour, and I mix it up a couple different ways on the way back. I do that a couple mornings a week.
Yep.
There's some turkeys that hangs out on the road. And literally right in the road, right past St. Eves, just hangs up in the middle, packs of cars.
Yeah.
Always got a little video. But,
Yeah, there's a bunch of turkeys out here.
that's going. I'm going out to our friend's lake house tomorrow, so I'll swim down there.
Nice. My buddies want to ride in the morning. Well, run this morning and then tomorrow morning bike. I want to do like 3 hours. I'm like, guys, I'm doing this DUI stuff. I gotta catch up on some sleep. But this is the last weekend, so go back to a normal schedule, get my life back. I've been slowly getting back into training, but it's not going too well.
It's gonna take a while for your body to adjust it.
Yeah.
Figure out what's going on.
Like I was going out for an easy run. I was like, oh, this is staying in zone 2 pace, right? It was just spiking, and I was just like why? Like, I'm not breathing heavy. I can still talk. I can still hold conversation. It's a easy, like, I was doing 10-minute pace, which is like before this, these issues. That was my zone 1.
Yeah.
Like I would have to drop to like a 9:30
That's slow,
to go to zone 2. But I was doing 10 minutes and I was like 155, 160. I was like, what is happening?
I told my wife after she had COVID, she couldn't run for 6 months. She would run, spike, she couldn't breathe.
Yeah.
She wasn't very running before.
Maybe I'm COVID.
Come here. More? Move forward. Spin. That's not very good spin. Hair on your face, come again. All right? You're okay? Huh? Sorry.
I should have finished my Celsius again.
I was working at hard today, so I did like 5 calls during the day. Actually, I was moving out of bed. I was on technically from 7 until 7, 5 to 10. I called 5:30. That's the basis. 5:30. So it's bad. My wife got home from Springsteen concert.
Oh, did she? How was it?
We weren't really talking much. I was sleeping, and she came in. She was like, "Oh, you're still here?" I'm like, "So you just
Yeah.
You know what? I'm like, okay, good time. Good time.
Yeah, I heard he sold out both nights. Was it Thursday night?
I had a friend who went
Wednesday night.
7 o'clock, she got tickets. They literally go online 7 o'clock, got tickets. I don't know if StubHub or how she got them for it. And they went there, she didn't pay them.
Oh, wow.
It's kind of like, I go to the guy who's tailgate a lot. People are like, hey, you're tailgate. I don't go to the game, I just go to the tailgate.
Yeah.
I'm the whole time for the game. But there's people that like 12:30 start checking StubHub. They're like $14 a minute ticket for to go in. Because you're there anyway.
Yeah.
Party, you're there.
Yeah. It's more expensive to park there.
So you have to go, like, I'm going to the game. Seagulls, week 4. It's just like tailgate. It's like a Monday night game.
Yeah. That's awesome.
And a buddy of mine said, oh, you just didn't take my parking tickets. Buy me a Pop-Up-and-I chicken sandwich. Like, that's a good deal.
My father-in-law's got season tickets to the Giants. I'm a Cowboys fan, so he gives me the Cowboys game when they come here every year. So it's like, I cannot not go.
Right.
You know? You have to go to that game.
You do a good She's not pulling her own part back. It's like,
She even knows where she's at.
yeah. All right, Sage, we're going to the hospital now, okay? All right.
Sage, do you know who you want to call to come pick you up from the hospital?
Do you live with your parents or no? Or do you have a boyfriend, husband? Huh? Who do you live with? Who do you live with, hon? Matthew? Who's Matthew? Is that your boyfriend? Okay.
Probably high school party. Probably a high
She
school
recording
party.
it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Call Matthew.
Yeah. I mean, I would have to get her permission to do that.
She used her face and opened it up.
Yeah. I have to. There's privacy laws, yeah. We are at the hospital.
Hospital.